A lot of people are a bit apprehensive when it comes to getting the white seats for their Tesla. You may be under the assumption that they will get dirty quickly and they would be hard to clean. These are all valid thoughts you may have. But today, I'm here to show you just how easy it is to clean and maintain your white Tesla seats. I've had this Tesla for a little over 10 months now and I have not cleaned the white seats. I wear blue and black jeans pretty much every day, getting in and out of the car multiple times each day, especially on those days that I have a lot of errands to run. To simply put it, these white seats look fantastic. White brightens the interior, all while providing a calming and airy feeling, especially on those hot summer days where white seats don't get hot. Dirt, crumbs, and marks are easy to spot on a white surface, enabling you to easily clean it away. The white seats also add to the minimalist look of all Teslas, especially making the interior look very modern. From every angle, the white seats look truly amazing, but at some point, you will start to notice it gets dirty like this. This is normal, considering getting in and out of the car causes your pants to rub on the seats. Over time, you'll notice this build up, and it will come to a point where you want to clean it and get it back to normal. The method I'm going to show you on how to clean your white seats is very simple and nearly free. You don't have to go out and purchase different types of cleaning solutions, sprays, and other gimmicks. That's just a waste of money. The most you'll spend is a few bucks, but the way that I clean the white seats is not even that. You will need a microfiber towel, maybe two, and just some warm water. That's it. One microfiber towel is to wipe off the seats and the other is to dry it. Now, for extreme situations, this may not work, but it does work 99% of the time. Others have recommended using alcohol-free baby wipes, and that does work as well. In the owner's manual, it does say to wipe spills and chemical residue from interior surfaces as soon as possible, using a cloth moistened with warm water and non-detergent soap. So both methods do work. Here's a quick little shot of the rear seats. You can see that they practically look brand new, and they're still very white. That's because I rarely have any passengers. Same thing goes for the front passenger side. It looks pretty brand new, and it doesn't look that dirty at all. The main part is the driver's seat, where I get in and out myself every single day. One thing to note is to never use cleaners containing alcohol or bleach. This will dry out the vegan leather and pretty much ruin it. So without further ado, let's get into it. Here's an up-close shot of the driver's seat in the shade. It comes off a little bit more dirty on camera than it is in person, but nonetheless it's still really dirty. Here's a side bolster right here. You can see how dirty it is. Every day I've worn jeans, black jeans, blue jeans, from getting in and out. This is the result, and on the lower back side, it's a little bit more than here. So now I've divided up the seat in two parts so you can see what the part of it that I'm going to be scrubbing away. And I'm going to show you guys, you don't need any of those fancy chemicals, those fancy sprays, any of that stuff. You just need some warm water and a microfiber cloth. So let's get to it. I'm going to dip it in here and I'm going to wring it out. And now all you need is just some elbow grease and this, and it should be coming out. All right, so here. You can see how, it's gotten kind of dirty. Let's flip it to the other side. I'm gonna dip it in water again. Wring it out. Let's get to it. Right here on the curved part. Okay, now let me do the side bolster. Same thing, just rub at it. Flip as needed. Let's get this half. Alright, let's take a look at it now. I'm going to take this tape off. Look at the difference. Let me just dry it off. I'm just going to dry this part off real quick. Look at that difference, night and day. I mean, come on guys. You don't need any of those chemicals, those sprays. This was done with just some warm tap water. Don't fall for the gimmicks of ceramic coating your seats, needing some special coating for it either. These vegan seats are impressive. Look at that, like new. All right, now it's time to do the other half. I've dipped this again in some warm water, and look at that. All right, look at this. This is the final product right here. Let me zoom in. Wow. All it took was a microfiber cloth, some warm water, and some elbow grease. Once again, you don't need any of those harsh chemicals, those sprays, those ceramic coatings for the seats. You just need some warm water. Look at that. And if you can't get it out, in the Tesla manual it says to use non-detergent soap, but I didn't need that here. That's probably for like stains that are, you know, probably almost impossible to get out with just warm water. But that's all you need. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and be sure to turn on post notifications to stay updated on more videos to come. I have a lot of cool videos coming up and don't want you to miss out on any of them. Comment your thoughts on this video and if you have any insight you'd like to share. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you in the next one.